So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a brief review on this 2020's Crompton Greaves Trans Air 9-inch or 225 mm exhaust fan as you're seeing here. So as you can see, here's the label. I know the specifications are not clear. Let me just turn on the flash. So as you can see here, these are the specifications. This I mean to say, you can see this is a Crompton logo exhaust. You can see the label and you can see the bolts. This is an external bolt system, which means this is a Navi Mumbai OG Crompton Greaves Transit. And yes, I changed the cord because this was the official cord in this bathroom and this is long enough, so this fan can connect easily over here. So that's the thing. So as you're seeing, so this fan actually I've bought from a nearby flat which was getting renovated, of course. So this fan was no longer in use and this is a kitchen used exhaust fan. And let me tell you one thing, I've replaced the original capacitor. The original capacitor was a Vijay 1.5 microfarad. Interesting to see that, because Vijay capacitors fail within like 6 months or maybe a year after purchase, but in this the capacitor was working. Although slow start, it could still provide the speed, but I've changed it because this is an exhaust fan, as you know, and this is a 1400 rpm motor, and with that capacitor it was not in its full potential, so I changed the capacitor. And one thing which I have noticed in the market is that 1.5 Mfg capacitor is not available in branded, like the Tipcon or the Keltron or the whatever might be the case, whatever you may say, it's not available. The lowest you can get is 2 Mfg. So for now this fan is like, there's a March 2021 piece. I'll put the pic of the capacitor in the community tab later on. So for now I have settled with local 1.5 microfarad, but as this fan ages up, I am not putting 2.0 because there is a 4 plate or whatever you may say winding, and this is a 45 watt motor if you have seen the label when I turned on the flash. So this has a high resistance and all that, and it can handle the heat, but whatsoever it is, with age, when the core splits up and the fan ages up, then I'll put a higher value capacitor which will be normal for this. For now 2 MFD will unnecessarily produce slightly more heat. So as you can see, this is a Jugaad installation. One screw here and the other, let me show you, other is here, and actually here there was a plastic rally exhaust. Sorry for the video quality. So actually there was a rally plastic exhaust. I think you have seen the photo in the community tab. So that exhaust fan winding burnt, so I bought this as a substitute. Now let me show you the performance. So as this is a high quality fan, no explanation of specifications here. Everyone knows this is double ball bearing, powder coat, epoxy powder coated finish. And let me tell you one thing, mind it, this comes with a bird screen and I still have the bird screen, but don't remove the bird screen unless and until you have the grill like this in the outside. So as you know, exhaust fan users, so if you're not having that kind of a grill and the hole is big enough, then always use the original grill provided by the company. I mean the bird screen, don't discard that. But if at all it's uncomfortable like this, then you may and just ensure that there's an exterior grill fixed separately, then install the exhaust. So that's the thing here. Now let me show you the performance of this exhaust. So yep, I'll turn on the flash and show you. So you can see it windmilling a bit. So let me turn on the flash, and now let's start the fan. So pretty normal startup. As you saw, it took speed instantly. It's working really good. As you can see here, little bit of noise. That's because of the vibration, as the blades are not balanced, but it's fine. So you can see the suction of this fan is great. It takes only some seconds to throw out the odor, and it's not that this thing will cool you down. This thing throws the hot air outside and the cold air immediately comes inside. It's like a sea breeze and land breeze kind of effect, and not a cooling effect by this exhaust fan. So mind it, fresh air will come inside and the odor air will go outside. This also comes in a reversible mode. This one doesn't have it. So with time, let me turn off. The spin down is also good. So with time, and you can see that the time is the biggest evidence that the quality of this fan has decreased. So reversible was actually sold separately in this logo, and reversible has a different winding. So it's not like the older exhausts where you can just change the cord and put a reversible cord and it will get converted. If you use it in this one, the winding may burn. So if you want a reversible exhaust in this time, then go for Transair reversible. Don't go for this normal one and just change the cord to save some 100 or 200 rupees. So that's the thing over here. So guys, this is a short video about this 2020's Crompton Greaves Transair 9-inch exhaust fan. So that's the thing. As you can see, the exhaust over here. In nowadays market also, this fan is available in 1600 to 1700 range. If you need a good and long lasting exhaust in this time and a fully metallic exhaust, then you may go for this exhaust. I know there are bad reviews and this is like 1-star rated, but it's actually not 1-star. This fan should deserve a 3.5 to 4 rating, because this fan still has that quality. If you are getting a Navi Mumbai exhaust, very good. Yes, don't go for this Solan Transair. The Solan Transair is this stickerless one. Don't go for that one. If you want, you can go for this Navi Mumbai one, which is way better than that Solan. So guys, that's the thing over here. So I cannot show you the air blowing of this because this is installed over here. But I guess this fan has to come out for a cleaning. So that time I may just put it as in a shorts and I may show you. So guys, that's it for today. This is the exhaust fan as you're seeing here. So if you like the fan, like the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.